Here we have a Hougen magnetic base drill press, and I'm going to power it up just to show you that it does operate. Alright, so your green safety light is on. The switch here, this broke off, so if it's on for a while this will turn red. However, it is on green. I'm going to power it up for you. Turn the unit off. It says a lockdown on here. It includes a coolant tank. There's your hold down chain, and there's your operator's manual and some hand tools. So like we said, the little switch here broke off. That can easily be replaced. The unit is in very good condition, unused.